Hello everybody. It is our first class of class 8 history and our topic is history, its importance and time, means timeline. All we have more or less concept about timeline of history. If you already did read in the lower classes, I don't know whether it was in your syllabus or not, but till I am going to recapitulate the concept of history, its importance and time. Timeline means, according to the historians, we are dividing the timeline into three main parts. Number one, ancient. Number two, medieval. And number three, modern. History is basically divided into these three time zones. What are they? They are ancient, medieval and modern. But as per our syllabus, we are going to discuss about the importance of history irrespective of time. Means how importance and time are going to discuss irrespective of the discipline history. First of all, we will come to the point of view history and dates. We know that history and dates are highly correlated. I can give lot of examples. Suppose 15th of August 1947, India's freedom struggle was successfully come to a conclusion after getting the freedom from British Raj through the Mountbatten Act. So it is another date, history. So date, history and dates are correlated. We are searching about various dates. There are a lot of questions could be in our mind. What is the date of independence of Indian Republic? 15th August 1947. So 15th August 1947. Three informations are in our hand. Again I can ask, when did Palashi fightings were fought? When the Battle of Boxer did fight? When Independence War of America did occur? When French Revolution did occur? When Great Russian Revolution did occur? Such and such. There are a lot of questions. So history is combining and reflects many dates. And without date, the study of history is irrelevant. And we cannot get the proper dimension of history of any particular time or event or specific manners. Now come to the point of view debates. Obviously, history, dates, debates are correlated. Why? You know that any specific date, what we are going to say, it might not be convincing to many people. Suppose I can ask you, when did the war of Kurukshetra did occur? Basically, approximately, we are saying about the concept of Purana or the epics of our country like Mahabharata. 5,500 years back, somebody is telling 7,500 years back. A lot of debates exactly when did the war of Kurukshetra occur. But basically convincing, we are taking an average 5,500 years back, but with debate. Everybody may not admit to the concept. There is another question. The great people, the great man, the noble souls who were coming to the earth and preaches their ideals and ideologies or teachings. Suppose Confucius. It is a very debatable that at what time did this great scholar of the world, Confucius, did take birth. There are a lot of things. The starting of Constantinople civilization, the starting of Azerbaijan civilization, the starting of Mesopotamian civilization. There are a lot of dates, there are a lot of debates and a lot of queries. It's endless. There is no end that which date is correct and which view is correct. Only debate after debate. But there are some few specific dates irrespective of huge spectrum of history. Some dates are very, very, very specific and convincing, and 50% are not. Why? Because in every time we did not keep a record, we did not take written record, commentary like this, because ancient time was not accustomed with the present technology. What advantages we have right now, at that time there was no such advantage. So understand what is history, dates and debates. Today's point I will conclude in the discussion of insight in past. History, basically our concept, history means past. Millions and millions years ago. Basically history means past. It is a common convention among the general people, general scholars or the students or teachers like us also. If somebody is asking me what is history, sir, I will say nothing but description of the past. It is a very common view, but simply past is not enough in the case of clarification. The term past is very, very important. Past means how long before? 1,000, 2,000, 20,000, 40,000 million. Suppose I can give the example of the starting of Jurassic Age. When and where? I have to say about the experimental view of the anthropologists and the geologists, exactly when the Jurassic Age did start. I don't know. According to the studies and various research, it was saying that 30, 40, 50 million years, a million or billion years ago. So that is past. Past means how long, how far away, how far behind, how far away, right? So this is past, and history is basically emphasizing on past. Why? See, there is a very common concept that what is past? Past is use, future is uncertain, and present is a fraction of time. I have just put a drop on the boat. Immediately it passed. So, past is use, future is uncertain, and present is just like that. Just occurs and go to the home of past. So, today's discussion, we are going to highlight what is history, the description of the past, its importance, means how much the subject importance is, that I will discuss later, and time today on what I did give the emphasis, that is ancient, medieval, modern, and along with what is dates and debates and the concept of past in history. Next day we will take more and more evidences and proofs, descriptions, chronicles, anthropological evidences, coins, economical description of the past, and accordingly we will go to the deep side, the depth of the topic. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Till you please continue with your book and follow these discussions. Thank you very much.